Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm here to share a secret that helped me pay off $25,000 in debt faster than I ever imagined. Yes, you heard that right. $25,000. If you're drowning in debt, trust me, I've been there. The stress, the sleepless nights, the constant worry about how to make ends meet. But don't worry, because today I'm revealing one trick that turned my financial life around, plus 2 bonus tips to supercharge your journey to financial freedom. These strategies are simple, yet incredibly effective. All right, let's dive right in. The game-changing trick? It's called zero-based budgeting. Sounds fancy, right? But don't let the name scare you. It's super simple. And the best part? You don't need any special skills or tools to get started. Here's how it works. Every dollar you earn gets assigned a task. Whether it's paying bills, saving for a rainy day, or even treating yourself to something small, every dollar has a job. So at the end of the month, your income minus your expenses equals 0. This means you're telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. By giving every dollar a job, I could see exactly where my money was going. It was like a light bulb moment for me. No more guessing or mindless spending. I was in control of my finances for the first time in a long time. I cut out all the unnecessary expenses and focused on paying off my debt aggressively. Every extra dollar went towards my debt. And let me tell you, it works. Now, on to the bonuses. These additional tips will help you accelerate your debt payoff even more. Bonus tip number 1, side hustles. I know, it sounds cliche, but hear me out. But seriously, side hustles can make a huge difference. They can provide that extra cash flow you need to tackle your debt faster. I picked up freelance writing and started selling handmade crafts online. It was a fun and rewarding way to make extra money. The extra cash went straight to my debt, speeding up the payoff process. Every little bit helps, and it adds up quickly. Bonus tip number 2, the debt snowball method. It's a lifesaver. This method is all about building momentum. Here's how it works. List all your debts from smallest to largest. This way you can focus on one debt at a time. Pay off the smallest debt first while making minimum payments on the others. It's all about those small wins. Once the smallest is gone, move to the next one. Each paid off debt gives you a sense of accomplishment and keeps you motivated. It's all about momentum, and those little victories keep you motivated. Trust me, it feels amazing to see those debts disappear one by one. Don't just take my word for it. Give zero-based budgeting a try and see how quickly you can turn things around. It's a game changer. And remember, side hustles and the debt snowball method are your secret weapons. Use them wisely and watch your debt melt away. So, are you ready to tackle that debt? It's time to take control of your financial future. What strategies are you using to pay off your debt? Stay consistent and don't give up. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips on living your best financial life. Your support means the world to me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and happy budgeting.